Hello, Select Total Parts Pro. Today with 2011 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 7372. It's roughing up temp 2008 to 2013. There's a CCZB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. CCZB 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 6 dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent and crease, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.